Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Trustpilot reviews to Shopify. For that, first of all, you will have to come to the admin panel of your Shopify store. Over here, you need to click on Add Apps and then select the option of Shopify App Store. Now, once you are in Shopify App Store, you need to use the search bar in the top and you need to search for Farah. So Farah is the product reviews application. So you need to simply select it and make sure that you select the right Farah app. Remember the icon and here click on the install button. Now after clicking on install, it will redirect you on the installation page and it will look something like this. Now you need to simply click on the install button again and wait for some time until Farah app is installing in your Shopify store. Now once the installation is successful, you will see Farah in your apps section. So you can click on apps and here you can select Farah. Now in Farah, you may need to actually create your account here. So you can create a free account here, or if you are already aware of Farah app, you can also go with the paid version. But in most of the cases, the free version will be enough. So here you need to go to the reviews section and after that you will have to simply select the option of import files. So as you can see, it is asking me to import the files. So here click on show other options and you will find Trustpilot here in this list. So select Trustpilot and click on review. You can also get the same option from the reviews tab as well. So select Trustpilot and click on the continue button in the bottom right hand corner. Now you need to simply start your trial and your setup will be finished, and this way you will be add Trustpilot reviews to your Shopify store. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more these types of tutorials. Thanks for watching.